play, I slay. I don't walk, I strut, and then sashay. But I don't work for free, that's not the T, hunty. So make it rain on me, and I might let you see. What you gonna let them see? My nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels. My nails, hair, hips, heels.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am DACardia, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer, and if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. So a lot of you already know I am doing a wig giveaway. Your girl done reached 1,000 subscribers. Hey. I'm like so happy and thankful for you all. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you for like really being a baddie on a budget. And speaking of baddie on a budget, this giveaway is called Baddie on a Budget, and I am going to give you all the details that I'm going to be having inside this box that I'm going to be giving to the winner. It is inside this box, this big old box, big old box. I'm picking a winner. You know, all you got to do is just follow the rules, and baby, you can get this. And I am picking the winner November 8th, so that literally is like 7 more days from when I'm going to be posting this video, so you better get on it, sis. Let's talk about everything that's going to be in this box, okay? First things first, it is going to be this hot comb. I use my own personal hot comb in each and every one of my videos because, baby, I lay the wig down and this does pretty good. I am sorry that the box is beat up, baby. That's how I got it, so guess how you finna get it. Yeah. Also got this mug. Not mug. I got, what is this called? Stainless steel cup. It is a all white cup, but also has other attachments. Like this one is mine, so this gives you a good, you know, idea of what this is. Baby, I get so many compliments on it. Like, where you get that from? Where you order that from? You gonna get a lot of compliments, okay? This is so neat. It has pockets. You can put either your phone in there, if you want to, you can put your card in there, lip gloss, just all types of things in these little zipper, these little pockets. I thought that was so neat. You can carry it like a purse. It comes in handy, because baby, you don't want to just carry the cup. You know, sometimes your hands is full. You got to carry a cup. Nah. You can just put it on your shoulder and baby, you good to go. So I got a box inside of a box. Don't ask me what happened. Just know it's a box inside of a box. With a baddie on a budget, you automatically think like, what makes a baddie on a budget? Baby, hair, nails, that girl. You feel me? That's what I see. So I got this. This is a reusable or refillable perfume bottle. I absolutely love this. I have my own. Mine's is purple. I put it in my pocket. Sometimes I put it in my purse. Like, it's literally a small little thing that you really refill with your perfume, your favorite perfume. And once it's gone, baby, you're gonna use another perfume to put in here. Like, this comes in handy. Baby, you gotta smell good all the time, okay? So in the baddie on the budget, there are 2 sets of nails. This one is very, baby, these are long, but these are some blue nails, press-on nails, and I thought these were so cute. And also these short silver nails as well. So whenever you're laying down your lace wig or any type of hair, like even your natural hair, maybe a wax stick, I absolutely love this stuff. I had mine for almost a year now. It lasts a long time because I really don't use that much. I use enough just to get my hair to go down, and I use my hot comb, and baby, you got it all, okay? 3-piece comb kit. Comes with a comb, a brush, and also an edge brush. I absolutely love this. I had wore a bow in my hair, and so I thought this was so cute. I ended up ordering another one for you guys because I was like, if I like it, I know somebody, another baddie on a budget gonna like this too, okay? So I got these Chanel earrings, which I got them in my ears right now, and they're not real. So don't y'all say, oh, she thought that, I thought that was real, that was real. No, baby, a baddie on a budget don't have the real deal, okay? I'm just saying. So that's what that is, and I thought these were so cute. This is my first time wearing mine, and it looks so cute. It's so classy, elegant. I'm loving it. I know you guys are seeing like the famous bracelet that is everywhere, a Van Cleef bracelet. So y'all know how much the Van Cleef bracelet runs. Baby, I ain't got $5,000. Oh, you kidding? So I ended up ordering this for you guys. Like I said, this is not the real deal. This is a baddie on a budget. It's not the real name brand, okay? So this is a gold and black Van Cleef dupe, and I absolutely love this. I got a Fendi headband for you guys. For the winter. This is what it looks like, and I absolutely love it. Baby, you can't tell me this is not a Fendi brand. And speaking of headband, let me go ahead and get into the wigs. I'm literally just now getting into the half wigs, and I'm absolutely loving them. So I ended up ordering one of the lucky winners headband wig. The hair is curly and long, and it also has highlights in it. So this is like extremely cute. I'm loving this. I'm gonna have to give me one myself, okay? Last but not least, in this baddie on a budget giveaway, I wanted to repurchase a wig that went viral on my YouTube channel, and I absolutely love that installment. Like, everything about that wig I absolutely love. And y'all know I love synthetic wigs, and it is a synthetic wig. I wanted the winner to really get this wig and baby, experience what I experienced with this wig, okay? So it comes in this bag right here. I absolutely love this wig, y'all. I want to repurchase for myself. So this is the wig, you guys. I absolutely love this wig. I am obsessed. Everything about this wig was on point. This is the best synthetic wig I have ever to this day had. I would love for my winner to have this unit and experience what I experienced when I put the wig in, and it's so good. All right, everyone, that is it. That is everything that's going to be in the baddie giveaway, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. And if you want to participate in this giveaway, make sure you read the community on my page and participate in it. And that's it. So I am picking a winner November the 8th. Make sure you guys subscribe, and also if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.